Hello, at this video we're going to look at how to create a lot of ads at once, a bulk ad creation tool. So first you select the ad groups where you want to create these ads. So it can be useful to first filter, such as filter by ad groups with only one ad in them. You could also, if you're setting up multi-ad group tests and you have a line that's not used in a lot of ads and you want to create it, then you could filter by ad text doesn't contain this line in the headline 2 or headline 1. Apply that and then select all those particular ad groups. So once you've gone through and selected the ad groups, click on Create Multiple Ads. Now, with this particular tool, and a very important note is that you can inherit data from ads in your ad group already. So for instance, we just chose a lot of different ad groups. Those ads probably have different final URLs to them. So we wouldn't want to create one ad to put in 20 different ad groups with one final URL in many cases. So what we can do is leave parts of an ad copy blank. We can then inherit data from the ad with the highest conversion rate or our highest CTR from our current ads in that ad group. So for instance, let's say that we just have this new line that we need to create in a lot of different ad groups. So I'm going to write down, this is my new line. Now I can leave everything else blank, and we selected 39 different ad groups. What will happen is we will find the ad with the highest CTR in this case. We will change the headline to be this new line, inherit all that other data, and then push these new ads live. So we can always preview what our ads look like. This is our new line, and we've just looked through all the ads in the ad group, in this case for the highest CTR. Now, you don't have to do it that way. You could write in information for every single part of these ads if you would like to. And then if you want to create another one, you can write down, this is my other new line. And so in this case, we would again be grabbing the ads from the ad group with the highest CTRs, changing this line, pushing on a new ad copy, changing this line, pushing on a new ad copy. So you can add or remove these additional ads very quickly. And of course, you start by choosing what kind of ad you want. A dynamic search ad, an ETA, a call-only ad, or if you're in an expanded DSA. You can choose the status of the ads, whether it's going to be created in a pause state or an enabled state. If you have ad templates, then you can apply an ad template to these ads. Now, beyond that, there's other rules you can do as well. So for the new ads, you can apply a label or an ad rule. For the current ads in the ad group, you can decide to pause them. So if you're creating 2 or 3 or 4 new ads, you might want to pause the existing ones. Or you could decide, I only want to pause 2 ads in the ad group and not all the ads in the ad group. So you have various sets of rules you can apply to the existing ads. You can also set up multi-ad group tests from here. So for instance, we're creating one ad with this line, and we're creating another ad with this line, and we're inheriting everything else. So we could create a new multi-ad group test to be run daily, immediately. And so always preview the ads first, because you could be creating thousands upon thousands of ads using this tool. So use the preview, make sure you're happy with what these lines look like, then go ahead and create the selected ads. So with inheriting data from existing ads, or even from existing active ads, or even existing paused ads, it's easy to inherit data, change the entire ad, change a single line, and then push those ads out live in bulk.